Hello coders. As a part of the basic C programming series, in this video I am solving reversing a number problem. Let's enter upon. For this problem, our task is to get a number from the user and display the reverse of the given number. For example, the, the user gave the number such as something like that, and our output should be the reverse of the number. This is our task. Before proceeding with this problem, we have to know how the modulus operator works. Let's see that first. Modulus 3 or 2. Okay. It gives 1. How it gives the remainder. Modulus operator is used to get the remainder when it is divided by a number. And in our program, we are using the modulus operator to get the last digit of the number. When we divide our number by 10, it gives the last digit as remainder. And to get this last digit, we are using the modulus operator in our program. We are using the modulus operator to get the last digit. And the same way, we are using the division operator, the slash operator, to get the remaining digits. After the modulus operator, we get the last digit, and after using the slash division operator, we get the remaining digits. And how it's work? 5, 7, 8 is divisible by 10. The divisible operator, the slash operator gives the quotient, whereas the modulus operator gives the remainder. These points to be noted. This is the procedure we have to follow for this. And let's enter the programming. Temporary variable, reverse variable, and we have to initialize this reverse variable as 0. I'm storing the variable n to the tn value because when I because when I replace the digits, the value of n will be changed. So I'm for a backup purpose I'm storing the n variable in the n variable. Here the main program occurs. Why I'm using the tn variable here instead of n. Let's, while t not equal to 0, to get the last digit. First, I am going to get the last digit. Reminder equal to tn, the number percentage 10, which gives me the last digit. And in the reverse variable, I am going to store as I am storing the number of digits, and I am storing from getting the value from the previous values. So reverse and star 10, because whenever I add a new digit, it has to place it has to be get placed in the last position. So star 10 means the last digit will be 0, and the current digit goes to the previous one, the last position minus 1 plus the remainder. And converting the tn variable to minimizing the tn variable to the remaining digits. This is the main code. Let's run the program. The number can be 78566587. Yes, this program is working perfect. And now the walkthrough. First, the condition checks n is not equal to 0. 5631 is not equal to 0. The condition is true. Then it enters the next step. The next step is reminder. Reminder equal to n percentage 10. It gives the last digit 1. And the reverse variable will be formula for reverse is reverse 10 plus reminder. And when we apply on this 1, reverse is already 0. We initialized it 0, and reverse 0 star 10 is 0, and plus 1 reminder. In the first execution of the loop, we got 1 for the reverse, and the n is minimized for the remaining digits, n slash 10, and the remaining digits are 5, 6 and 3. And in the second execution, the remainder variable holds the value of the last digit 3, and the reverse is 10 star, just a minute, reverse variable star 10 plus 1 plus the remainder, sorry. which is 1 star 10 is 10 plus remainder. So it is 1 3, and again checks the condition. It is again true, it enters the loop. And so on. We get the variables as 1 3 6 and 1 3 6 5, and this is the output we recovered. We got that. And for any other numbers, we are getting that right. Okay.